The Constitution of India. Part 5. The Union. Chapter 5. Comptroller and Auditor-General of India. Article 149. Duties and powers of the Comptroller and Auditor-General. The Comptroller and Auditor-General shall perform such duties, and exercise such powers, in relation to the accounts of the Union, and of the States, and of any other authority, or body, as may be prescribed by or, under any law made by Parliament, and, until provision in that behalf is so made, shall perform such duties, and exercise such powers, in relation to the accounts of the Union, and of the States, as were conferred on, or exercisable by the Auditor-General of India, immediately before the commencement of this Constitution, in relation to the accounts of the Dominion of India, and, of the provinces respectively.